Money plant decoration ideas. Money plants are one of the most popular indoor plants because they are beautiful, easy to grow, and perfect for home decoration. Their bright green leaves and long trailing vines can make any room look fresh, stylish, and lively. Today, we are going to explore some amazing money plant decoration ideas that can completely transform your home. One of the easiest and most beautiful ways to decorate with money plants is by placing them in hanging baskets. Hanging money plants near windows, balconies, or living room corners creates a soft and natural waterfall effect. As the vines grow longer, they make the room look more relaxing and elegant. Hanging baskets are also perfect for small homes because they save floor space while adding greenery. Another popular idea is placing money plants on shelves. You can keep the pot on a high shelf and let the vines hang naturally downward. This creates a stylish and modern look that works beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, and even kitchens. White shelves with green trailing vines create a very aesthetic and calming atmosphere. Glass bottle decoration is another creative way to grow money plants. Many people grow money plants in transparent bottles filled with water. The visible roots inside the glass make the decoration look unique and attractive. You can place these bottles on office desks, study tables, kitchen counters, or windowsills to add freshness to the space. Money plants also look beautiful on wall-mounted plant holders. You can arrange several small pots on a wall to create a vertical garden. This idea is perfect for apartments and small spaces where floor space is limited. A green plant wall instantly makes the home look modern and luxurious. If you want a more elegant decoration style, use decorative ceramic or woven pots. Pots with neutral colors like white, beige, black, or terracotta match almost every home decor style. You can also place the pot inside a basket for a cozy and natural appearance. Another wonderful idea is decorating your bedroom with money plants. Place a small money plant on your bedside table or dresser to create a peaceful and fresh environment. Many people love money plants because they make indoor spaces feel calm and relaxing. Money plants can also be used to decorate stair railings, mirrors, and window frames. Simply guide the vines around these areas carefully, and they will create a beautiful green natural design inside the home. This makes empty spaces look creative and full of life. For a more dramatic look, create a money plant corner by combining several pots together. Use different pot sizes and heights to make the arrangement more attractive. Adding warm lights near the plants can also create a cozy and magical atmosphere during the evening. One of the best things about money plants is that they are low maintenance. They grow well in water or soil, survive in indirect light, and require very little care. This makes them perfect for beginners and busy people who still want beautiful indoor greenery. With a little creativity, money plants can become one of the most beautiful decorations in your home, adding freshness, positivity, and natural beauty to every corner.